Are you planning to take GMAT exam? We at GMAT Point are here to help you to prepare for the exam. But it's also crucial to recognize and avoid these common mistakes during the GMAT prep. So let's dive into it. Being unclear about the test format and the structure. GMAT is significantly different from the other standardized tests. It's a computer adaptive test, which means the questions are based on your ability level. So understanding the exam format and structure will help you to start with the preparation. And the second thing is not creating a solid study plan. This is the most common mistake made by many aspirants out there. So having a study plan will help you to stay consistent with your preparation. A solid study plan should include a timeline of topics along with the time allocation for each topic and the revision sessions according to your needs. With this, you can track your progress in your preparation. And the third one is not taking enough mock exams and practice tests. The mock exams and practice tests replicate the test environment, helping you to identify your strength, weakness, and focus on the areas that need improvement. So not taking enough mocks can hamper your preparation. So incorporate daily practice tests and take mock exams during your preparation to identify the strengths and weakness on the specific topics and question types to analyze your performance. And the fourth one is overlooking the importance of timing and pace. Each section has a limited time, so balancing the speed and accuracy is the key, or else you'll be left out with incomplete sections. So a regular practice with the time limits will help you to build a speed and accuracy with the questions. And lastly, we have learning from your mistakes and adapt strategies. It's important to identify the mistakes in order to achieve a high GMAT score. And if you fail to do so, it can limit your performance in the main exam. Through practice tests and mock exams, you can identify the mistakes in the particular question types and call for updating the strategy as needed. By avoiding these common mistakes, you will sharpen your GMAT prep and boost your confidence for the exam day. So all the best for your preparation and follow GMAT Point for more resources. Thank you.